wave traveling on a string at a speed of 10 meters per second causes each particles of the string to oscillate with a time period of 20 milliseconds. The first part of the question is asking what is the wavelength of the wave, and the second part, if the displacement of a particle is 1.5 millimeter at a certain instant, what will be the displacement of a particle 10 centimeter away from it at the same instant. It is given that the speed of the wave is, that is the speed with which the wave is traveling is 10 meter per second, and it is given that time period of each particle which is oscillating is 20 millisecond, or in terms of second we can say it as 20 into 10 to the power minus 3 second. In the first part of the question, they are asking the wavelength of the wave, lambda. So to find lambda, we will apply the formula of speed of the wave. As we know that speed of a traveling wave is equal to wavelength of the wave divided by its time period, and from here we will get lambda is equal to speed of the wave multiplied by time period. Now simply substitute the values. So 10 into 20 into 10 to the power minus 3 second meter, or it can be written as 20 centimeter. So this is the first part. Now see the second part, B part of the question. And in the B part, the path difference between the two particles is 10 centimeter. That is delta x is given as 10 centimeter. Now as we know that the relation between phase difference and path difference is, that is phase difference is equal to 2 pi by lambda multiplied by the path difference. Now substitute all the values here. So 2 pi by lambda, and what is the value of lambda? Value of lambda is 20 centimeter into 20 into path difference is given 10 centimeter. So from here it will come out pi. Now from the concept of phase difference, as we know that phase difference, that is delta phi, it can take two type of values. One can have this form, this equal to 2 n pi, where n is equal to positive integer 1 2 3. If phase difference is equal to 2n pi, in this case we say that the particles of the medium are in phase. Now what is the meaning of in phase? Let's see here. Suppose this is the mean position of all the particles. So in phase means same state of motion, or the two particles will have same displacement from their mean position moving in the same direction also. Okay, so from mean position, if we will take two particles, so both particles will have same value of displacement, that is y, same y, and both will go up or down with the same speed or with the same velocity. So this is the meaning of in phase. Now let's see the other case. If phase difference is in the form of or is equal to n pi, and n is taking the form of where n will have odd integers 1 3, odd positive integers 1 3 5 7. So in this case we say that the particles of the medium are out of phase. Now what is the meaning of out of phase? Out of phase means if this is the mean positions of all the medium particles, and if one particle is above, and suppose it is going up with a speed v, and it is having a displacement of y from the mean position, then out of phase means the other particles which is out of phase of this particle will have, from the mean position it will have minus y displacement, and it will have opposite of this velocity, that is it will have minus v, but speed will have same. Speed of both the particle will have same, only the direction will be different. So in the given question we got phase difference is equal to pi, and so we got phase difference equal to n pi, where n equal to 1. So the given question is dealing with out of phase. So from the concept it is clear that if the displacement of a particle in the question is given as 1.5 millimeter, suppose this y is given 1.5 millimeter, then what is the value of this y? This y will have, that is a distance of 10 centimeter. So this particle will have y of minus 1.5 millimeter.